Here's Bethany Beach. Lots of wind as well. It's busy here, but not much at Rehoboth Beach. Very cold right now. Dude, I was playing guitar here 2 weeks ago, and now look at it. Goodness gracious. Wow, cold. I'm surprised the flag is still up. One time when it was windy, they took them down. Very cold. Wow, it tore apart the covers of those things. Bethany Beach is known for close water upshore. Let's see how it looks. Wow. The beach is very small now. Nobody's even here. My goodness gracious. There's the beach. Holy moly. It feels like 60 miles an hour winds, even more than that even. Look at the beach. It's no joke. Look at that, the beach is gone. Holy smokes. It's in rip currents. It's as close as I can get to the beach. There's some flags here, footage of these flags, my gosh. The rain is hitting me with a lot of force, like hail. It's forming a heart. Look at that cloud. I guess that's how much Bethany Beach is loved, I guess. Look at the heart in the sky. Look, I'm falling on steps. My shoe untied. Man, it's cold. The last thing I want is one of these lights to fall on my head. Or a flagpole below my head or something. Flag in my house is probably broken for now.